NZ dollar falls ahead of RBNZ, Aussie braces for CPI test. Sydney, February 26, Reuters, the New Zealand dollar fell on Monday as traders pared back bets the central bank could surprise with an interest rate hike this week, while the Australian dollar was also vulnerable ahead of a monthly inflation test. The Kiwi NZD equals D3 fell 0.5% to $0.6164, after jumping 1.2% last week on risk that the Reserve Bank of New Zealand, RBNZ, may hike this week. However, some of that risk faded on Monday, reflected in the 2-year swap rate NZDSM3NB2Y equals falling 6 basis points from a 3-month top to 5.1850%. A review of things you need to know before you sign off on Monday: an eye-catching 6 meters TD rate, strong demand for some personal loans, cost stymie Suncorp, SFO probes failed crypto exchange, swaps on hold, NZD slips, and more. Mortgage/loan rate changes. No changes to report today. Term deposit/savings rate changes. SBS Bank has launched a 6.5% term deposit rate for a 6-month term. More here. Big yen shorts get support from waning global financial stress. Bloomberg, easing financial stress globally has boosted the allure of yen-funded carry trades, adding to depreciation risks for the currency that would raise the chances of intervention from Japanese authorities. Bank of America's global financial stress indicator dropped to a 4-year low last week, signaling buoyant investor appetite for higher-yielding riskier assets. The yen, the currency of the world's only remaining economy with negative interest rates, posted its 8th weekly decline against the dollar on Friday. That was the longest losing streak since October 2022. Cash is no longer king. So why are we still printing so much? A majority of payments in the US are made through credit and debit cards, study showed. Yet data going back to 2002 shows that notes in circulation have consistently increased. When it comes to how Americans prefer to spend their money, cash is actually not king. A 2023 study conducted by the Federal Reserve showed that the credit card was the most preferred payment method for U.S. consumers, making up 31% of all payments. What's on Reserve Bank's mind this week? Opinion: all eyes are on the Reserve Bank this week, with a few different guesses over what they'll say and do. The variety of opinions reflects a lot of twists and turns in the last couple of months. Financial markets got excited about the possibility of impending interest rate cuts late last year after weaker GDP data emerged. Wholesale swap rates, which feed into the pricing of fixed mortgages, plunged as much as 1.3 percentage points, and forecasters brought forward their expected timing for the first reduction in the official cash rate. Thank you.